broke. Jaja. New hose. Radiator hose. Back. Jaja. It's gonna be a pain to get this top hose off. But here we go. Alright guys, this is not the typical video that you expected to see from a tech guy, but while driving, my vehicle started to overheat. So I kind of expected this to happen. I just didn't know when, because I had bought the new hose probably about 2 weeks ago, but the car was leaking radiator fluid for the past 3 months, but I've been ignoring it. I'm usually proactive at these things, but this hose was a pain to take off, and I know it's gonna be a pain. So I put it off, I put it off, I put it off. But I always travel with my tools, and I had the radiator fluid. Also, I had the hose. So, I was expecting this to happen. So I was left to just figure it out. So here I am, just removing the hose. I'm underneath the car, removing the hose that's going to the oil, I guess the oil cooler. Listen, guys, I'm no mechanic, all right? So I'm just figuring it out. But this is the old house. Look at it, guys. It broke, like broke. All right? And I'm just removing the clamp from the old hose. We're gonna transfer it over to the new hose. And yeah, that's that. So guys, just enjoy, man. Listen, outside hot. You see I'm sweating? Outside hot. Florida, hot. Yeah. But we have to get it done. And you know what's crazy? I'm here making this video and I'm thinking about it. Why did I not change this hose a long time ago and I know it was giving problems? Guess what? I'm stuck on the road now and I have to figure it out. Because guess what? I gotta go home. Even though I was on my way to a job. You know what I mean? Oh, right here, guys. I'm trying to lube the hose with some oil, but it's not enough oil on the dipstick. So I put that back. That failed. So I'm gonna get some the only oil I have in the car was steering fluid. Using what I got just to get some lube. So when I put the hose back over the pipe, it just slide on easy. You know what I mean? So it's a lube up, you know what I mean? Yeah. But yeah, I was on my way to a job and this happened. So what I did is I parked the truck, grabbed me some ice, what is it? Frozen coffee with 2 pumps of peanut, what is it? Peanut, I don't know what that thing is. Yo, who's a Dunkin' Donut specialist? What's that called? Butter pecan. Yeah, 2 pumps of butter pecan. So I grabbed that and I walked my way to the customer. I walked there, diagnosed the problem, and it turned out the customer had a bad TV. So yeah, that was easy. I didn't need any tools or anything. But anyway, I walked back to the truck and this is just me just doing what I gotta do, get the truck going. Yeah, man. A tech guy fixing a vehicle, man. I'm just looking at the air filter, clean out any debris or anything in it. But yeah, just doing my thing, man. Doing my thing. Let me know, guys, if this happened to you, what would you do? Call AAA, call your mechanic, fix it yourself. Leave a comment. Let me know what you would do, man. I got some smart people that's following me. But if y'all watching this video and you're halfway there, that means you like the content, man. Just follow me. Just like, just share, leave a comment. Support me, man. I ain't no big content creator or nothing like that, but get me there. Help me get me there, man. Get me there. Yeah. That's the antifreeze, the coolant. The one that's designed for this Ford truck. Listen, I'm not a Ford guy, guys. I'm not a Ford guy. If you know me, you know me. I'm not a Ford guy, but I got this truck for a good deal about 5 years ago, or maybe 6, no 7, maybe 6 or 7 years ago. Time fly, but yeah, the hoses changed, and we gonna crank it up. Make sure we ain't got no leak. Make sure everything good. Yeah, truck start up. So far, everything look good. You know, truck idling at 2,000 RPM. That's because it's cold. It's gonna drop when you warm up. But that's the new hose, guys. I'm just checking, making sure we ain't got no leak. Yeah, looking good, looking good. Looking good. Yeah. So I know I ain't gotta worry about this no more. And that's the hose going to the oil cooler. But I know I ain't gotta worry about this no more. Yeah. And one bottle almost got me there. I just gotta tap up just a little bit. But yeah, man. Everything looking good. So we're just gonna cover that up, jot the car down, and guess what? We go ahead to the next customer. Know what I mean? That's how we do it, man. Keep going. This whole process took me probably about 30 minutes, probably 20 to 30 minutes, about 30 minutes. Yeah, wasn't that bad. You know, when I'm under pressure, I get things done like even, better because I got to figure it out. I'm stuck out here. I got to figure it out. So, yeah. Anyway, guys, don't forget to follow, like, share, subscribe, whatever you got to do it, man. Yeah. This is your boy. Look at me. Sweating. Hot. But you don't know. Everything look good. Car running cold. You see how the RPM drop? It's going to drop a little bit more. I don't know why it's a little bit too high. But yeah. Car cool. Everything good. Anyway, I'm out, guys. Peace.